Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to quickly recover a declined invoice payment in Freshbooks using reminders. Step 1. Identify the declined payment. Log into Freshbooks, open the invoice, and check the reason for the declined payment. Step 2. Send a reminder. Use Freshbooks' built-in reminder feature to politely notify the client about the failed payment. Step 3. Confirm payment details. Ask the client to verify their payment method and update any expired or incorrect info. Step 4. Retry the payment. Once details are updated, have the client retry the payment to complete the invoice. Step 5. Verify success. Check the invoice status in Freshbooks to ensure the payment has been successfully processed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more quick Freshbooks tips.